Thanksgiving just around the corner. I am here to show you how to create a stunning Thanksgiving table setup without breaking the bank. From DIY centerpieces to affordable tableware, get ready to impress your guests on a budget. Let's make your holiday extra special while saving some cash. So let's get started. We will start our table setup with this beautiful table runner I got from our home store. Remember, when you are a seasonal decorator like me, always try to buy things off season. For example, next year, if you're trying to do a Halloween tablescape, make sure you get stuff 50% off on November 1st. Is when you want to go to the store. Make sure you go around even 11:30, because if you go early, most time the store has not do the markdown yet, so you might see stuff say full price. So try to go around 11:30 is when all the stores will be doing a markdown for 50% off. It might go up to 90% off, 70% off, but if you wait that long, most of the good stuff will be gone. So try to get stuff 50% off. Always try to buy off season, because things like they get very expensive. It's going to like center it up like so. Is this beautiful brass candle holder I got from HomeGoods. I got this beautiful brown candlestick from HomeGoods. Pro tip though, if I just put this candlestick in this candle holder like this, you see how it kind of like wobble around. So what you're going to do is grab a piece of paper towel or napkin or cleaners, whatever you have, wrap it around the bottom of the candlestick and just push down like so, okay, like that, and it will stick like that. Okay, you can always go in if you feel like it's not like there properly. You can amble. You can grab a little bit more and add it at the bottom, so your candlestick don't move around. You don't want your candlestick moving around when you have people gather around the dining table for dinner, okay? Because these can tip over. So you want to make sure your candlestick are secure properly. Next are these beautiful pumpkin stems I got from Hobby Lobby, again off season. These were 90% off when I bought them. We are going to add these plum stems I got from Target, again off season. And then also these two stems I got from Target. Now that we got our centerpieces already, let's add our charger plate. This black and gold charger plate I from Hobby Lobby. Again, I got them on season, which was 50% off. Also, these beautiful pumpkin plates are from Hobby Lobby. They were $14.99, but I got them for 60% off. These are so beautiful. It has the green, pumpkin, just all beautiful and very festive for Thanksgiving season. Also, I want you to know that you can always shop your home and mix and match your dishes. Like these two turkey plates add from Bradenton. This full pumpkin place, add from Hobby Lobby. So you can always mix and match and shop your home first before going out to buy new things, because you never know what you can find at home. This beautiful beaded napkin are from Pier 1. We need to have Pier 1 here in Iowa, but unfortunately, Pier 1 closed all the in-person store. So if you're looking for these napkins, maybe you can find it on eBay or online. So for a simple napkin, I'm not using napkins. So what I'm going to do is fold my napkins like this. Very simple, and like this. Okay, and then I'll go one more time, like so. Lay my napkin over my little plate, like that. Okay, very simple. Got these beautiful 10-foot sign from Hobby Lobby again last year of season. So since it's Thanksgiving silver skate, all I'm going to do is just place one of these 10-foot sign over my napkin, like so. I'm just going to add my stemware. This beautiful one right here, this little one is from HomeGoods, and this other one is from Ross. It's coming together, but we're going to add this old silverware I got from HomeGoods. For this table setup, if you are serving soup, you can do this little cute bowls. For this table, for me, I'm not serving soup, so I'm not going to add this. But if you are, you can get these little ones from Bradenton. You can just put your soup in there like so and add it to the table. It don't have to be soup. If you got other side dish that you want to serve, you can add it to this table. I'm not adding this, but I just wanted to show you guys the possibility and that's what you can do with your holiday table scale. The purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and light the candle. But if you are doing this at home or hosting on Thanksgiving dinner, you're not going to light your candles right after you set your table. Also know that candles are fire hazards, so you always want to be careful and pay attention on things. So before setting your candles or lighting your candles, you gotta make sure you're only sleeping at the